Hey guys, it's Andy. This week I've built an Adirondack chair, quite sturdy. This is all reused wood. There's a door frame which we took out. It was actually a few door frames that we did at a job. As you can see here, there's where the hinge originally went. So this is all reused stuff because it's just a prototype for now. It looks quite nice. As you can see here, there's a bit of rubbing where it folds. Folding. This is a folding Adirondack chair. So it all folds down and collapses so you can store it, whereas some are solid and built like that. So it has all these 5/16 3-inch bolts through, twists and washes in between for it all to move about. Here you can see where it all rubs in there. But because it's only just been varnished today, it had a coat yesterday, but I put the last one on today. It looked quite nice. Underneath it's a bit tacky, but it's only the underneath. So if I put it underneath to sell, then I'll varnish all the parts separately and then put it all together and it's got all the coats on. But it's really nice and comfy. Really nice. The way it swoops down and up. Nice size armrest. It's a 5-inch armrest. You can have a mug on there easily. Quite nice. It's not too high off the ground, it's quite low, but it's not too bad. It's quite a nice comfortable height for your knees and whatnot. It's got the traditional style here. All these are routed. Nice as it folding. All you do is pick up the back, like so. Drop that down. Slide it in there, and then when you pick this up here, drop that in. So, go to the side, hold in the leg. All folds up quite nice. And as you can see, quite narrow. I'll get the tape measure and show you how narrow it is. You can see it's all tacky there in front of the okay, let's see. It's quite heavy, but it's like all the most garden chairs. Okay, the maximum width of it is 11 inches, and it'll fold in a little bit more. So it's about 10.5 inch the width when it's all folded up. I've got the plans of the internet, and it just only took me a week so far, less than a week. I started it Monday and finished it this morning, but I've only been working the nights at it, like 2 or 3 hours a night, so I could probably build one in a day. Just the coats that take forever. Fold the legs back out. Then you can feel the bolts move around in there, put it down, and you can pick up the back, a bit of squeak in there, and then just put your feet on the back. I'll show you here on the back. Okay, so you just put your feet on the back legs here, stop them moving, and then you pick it up. And then drop it into the slot. I just need to straighten the leg up a bit here. It drops in. Slide it along a bit. Now I'm going to make some more of these to sell. I want to buy a new bandsaw. I'm going to buy a lathe as well. But the bandsaw I'm getting is an Atkinson one. and it's got a 2.2 kilowatt for power, 2,200 watts, which is quite a lot. It's got a full 11-inch cut here.